This is the corned beef that I have pre-washed, and the fat cap that I'm going to remove once it's been cooked. And these are the spices that come with the packet. So you want to make sure you always wash your corned beef because corned beef has been cured in a lot of sodium, so you want to wash that off and just place it in a plate, ready for cooking. So let me get my pot ready with vegetables, and then we're going to start cooking it. Here I have potatoes, carrots, and cabbage that I'm going to be adding later on in the cooking process. But first we're going to start with celery, onion, and garlic, which are the first items we're going to add with the corned beef to start cooking it. Now I have the corned beef in the pot, and we're going to be adding garlic, onion, and celery. And now we're going to add the package that comes with like little seasonings. This is the one that comes with your corned beef. This adds a lot of flavor. Alright guys, so our corned beef is almost done, and it's been here for 2 hours. Normally the time you leave it on the stove is per pound is like 50 minutes per pound, but right now it's almost done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding the potatoes and the carrots in there and cook them for 15 minutes. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and then we'll check them again. The potatoes and carrots have been cooking for 15 minutes now, and it's time to add the cabbage. We're going to add the cabbage for 10 minutes and then check it and see what it looks like. And that's the very last item we're going to be adding. So we'll come back in 10 minutes. So this corned beef has been cooking for 10 minutes and it looks like it's done. It looks like all the veggies are fully cooked and it looks really good. So I'm going to be plating and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so now we're going to be slicing this. Let's see what it looks. You want to slice against the grain. And the reason for that is so that you get better texture and it won't fall apart, because if you cut it the other way, it'll just shred. Look at that. That looks so tender. It looks turned out really good. Oh, I gotta try a piece. Let me try that. Wow. Really good. And the corned beef is all done and plated. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. And like always, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.